Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to learn about Skyfence for Office 365. My name's Norv Leong, Senior Director of Product Marketing here at Imperva, and in today's episode, I'll demo how to block downloads of sensitive financial data to unmanaged devices. So let's get started. Downloads of sensitive data, especially to unmanaged devices, is a huge source of concern for all organizations. This is especially a problem when there are so many unmanaged devices being used to upload, download, and share sensitive corporate data. It's also quite important to have different policies for managed and unmanaged devices, which Skyfence supports, and we've actually got a separate tutorial on this, by the way. And when I say unmanaged device, this could be any untrusted endpoint, like a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop. It could even be something like a desktop computer at a hotel business center. Now, Skyfence is unique in that it's the only vendor that can distinguish between managed and unmanaged devices and then apply granular DLP policies on top of that. So here, as you can see in the UI, we've created a few policies here. We're going to block download of financial documents to unmanaged devices. So it's the third policy where my mouse is circling. If we click on edit, you can see the different attributes here on how we built this particular policy. So we've got the policy turned on, set to high severity, and once again, you see the different options are available. You can choose to monitor an alert, block the specific action, or block the account entirely, or you can choose to enforce two-factor authentication. That's what the verify identity is, if you want to require stronger identity verification. So we're going to go ahead and save the policy and say, I'm a financial analyst at my company. I go into my OneDrive account and open up the corporate financial data folder. Now I know that this PDT4 payment transfer folder contains the details of a customer's payment transfer. So there's things like the recipient name, which bank is doing the transfer, the amount transferred, and SWIFT codes. I want to be able to view this customer's payment transfer doc from my home computer, which is not managed by my company. Now I'll be able to do this because the company has a view-only policy for such docs on unmanaged devices. And if I click on the file, you can see that it opened up just fine. If I go back to the folder, and if I try to download this same file, you'll see that I'm blocked by Skyfence. Now, as my company admin, he or she can go into the company UI and see the details on both the viewing and the attempted download. So I'm going to click on Analytics, View All Activities, and you'll see the top two ones here. So the most recent one is the download one, and you'll see that the rule is to block downloads, and the data type was a SWIFT code, and it was an unmanaged device that was involved. And we also captured the viewing too, on all the details associated with the viewing activity as well. Now, if the admin feels that it's okay for me as the financial analyst of my company to download sensitive documents to my home computer, then the admin can make the unmanaged device a managed one. And Skyfence offers several ways to enroll devices. It could be done manually or automatically using client certificates. Both options are transparent to the user. And once enrolled, I, the financial analyst, won't be blocked the next time I try to download the file. So let's see how that happens. In this example, we'll go with manual enrollment. So let me go over to endpoints. That's what the admin will click on. We'll click on the unmanaged tab, and you can see there's a ton of unmanaged devices, including the financial analyst's home computer. So the admin finds the one he wants to enroll, and you click the green enroll button right here. The Skyfence UI will give you a chance to confirm whether that's in fact what you want to do. We'll click yes, and you'll see that now that device is a managed device. So say the financial analyst is back in his OneDrive folder, and he wants to download that file now to his home computer. So let's go see what happens there. And boom, there you can see that it happened. So this device, it's been granted access to both view and download, as it is now a trusted device. So that was an example of blocking a download of a file that contains sensitive financial data to an unmanaged device, and then subsequently making that device a trusted one. So I think that wraps up this episode for today. If you're interested in getting more information on Skyfence or would like to check out our other Office 365 videos, just visit our website at skyfence.com or shoot us an email. Thanks again for your time and have a great day.